Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own custom filter on Snapchat using Lens Studio. It's super simple, so just follow along step by step. Step 1. Check for updates. Before starting, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store for iPhone or Play Store for Android. Search for Snapchat. If an update is available, tap Update. If not, you're good to go. Step 2. Open a browser. Next, open any browser on your device. For example, I'll use Google Chrome. In the search bar, type Create Filter for Snapchat and hit Search. On the results page, tap the first link, which will take you to Snapchat's official page. Step 3. Navigate to Filters and Lenses. Once on the Snapchat page. 1. Go to the Filters and Lenses section in the menu at the top. 2. Click the yellow Get Started button. If you're on a desktop, I recommend opening Snapchat Web for a smoother experience. Step 4. Create your filter. From here, you have two options. Upload a pre-designed filter. Click the Upload button to upload your custom filter. Create your own filter. Use Snapchat's Filter Creator to design one from scratch. Choose from various templates, add colors, text, and fun elements to make it unique. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Snapchat will guide you through the rest of the process on their web platform. Simply follow the prompts, finalize your design, and upload your filter. And that's it. You've just created your own custom Snapchat filter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more cool guides. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.